What do you do? That's how happy she is. Are you a happy baby?
No.
Yeah? No? Say, Mom.
Mama.
Mom. Oh, where's Daddy? Where's Dada? Where'd Dada go? Is he busy outside, being productive, trimming all the bushes? Yeah? Dada. Dada? Ellie, can you say Mama? Ellie, say Mama. 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 Huh? Mama. Mama? You say Mama? No. Da. What's that? Ah. Oh yeah? What's up there? Da. Wow. Who's that? Is that Uncle Bang Bang? Good morning, Uncle Bang Bang. There's ham and cheese croissants and like muffins and stuff if you want some. Just FYI. Didn't know if you saw it yesterday. Hi, Ellie. Ah, Papa. Ah, Papa. Ah, ba. Ellie Belly. It doesn't look like you're taking a dump. Look at your lopsided eyes. One lid is bigger than the other right now. Hey, what are you looking at? What are you doing? Ooga booga, ooga booga. What's the matter with you? Ooga booga, ooga booga. What happened? Why are you at a standstill? You're trying to take a poop? There you go. Mom. Mom. Dad? Dada. Da. Huh? What else are you gonna say? Look, she made a big mess eating down there. Really? Really? What else? What else do you have to say? Tell me all about it. That's not talking. Okay. Yeah, she made all the crummy mess right down there. That's all Ellie. Thank goodness for the IKEA bib. Looks like she still wants to eat. You still want to eat? You still want breakfast, huh? You still want some mama? I'll get you some bananas. Okay, I'll go get you some bananas. Let's go.